7 seconds. That's the average time a person spends in front of a museum painting. In the Renaissance, artists devoted 2 to 4 years to a masterpiece, yet viewers engage for just 7 seconds. Why? It's the time a painting takes to speak to you, to draw you into its world, or to challenge your beliefs. Art acts like a mirror, reflecting aspects of yourself, loved, hated, or undiscovered. You may feel riveted, pulled in, tears in your eyes, recognizing a deep darkness or a longing. At 7 seconds, truth settles in and you choose to linger a while longer, or maybe overcome by boredom or dislike, you just leave. As I often tell my clients, how you do one thing is how you do everything. And engaging with art mirrors how you relate to others. Do you stay committed through challenges, or do you cut bait at the first sign of difficulty? Now, real love is not for the faint-hearted. It's a martial art. And one universal law you can count on is change. People resist it, they deploy defenses against it, and they deploy defenses against love and growth. And as a heart coach, I help clients confront these defenses, much like a martial artist engages in a dojo. Against a backdrop of trust and deep understanding, relationships evolve as katas, skills for both challenge and connection. To love fully, you must be willing to transcend the coveted I for a broader we, and that's downright frightening. It entails a willingness to let go of your current identity for a healthier I that contributes to the collective well-being of the we. Nothing compares to the aliveness of being in love. It is worth stepping into that dojo each and every day with a sense of faith. Now, my programs span a year and clients average 3 or more years working with me. Navigating the relational roadmap requires knowing the next step to take. And for that reason, I've created the 7 sacred steps of my programs, Your Love by Design. Step 1, build your emotional resilience. Shift your nervous system from hypervigilant to calm, allowing that to be your new relational setting. Step 2, untangle past patterns from present need. So overcome relationship stuckness by developing trust and making aligned choices. Step 3, trust as your new normal. Stop cycling through unhelpful thoughts and relationships become easier, more fulfilling. Step 4, follow the compass of your heart. Lead with the heart for freedom from mismatched partners or mismatched situations. Step 5, the gift of your devotion. Break the cycle as your devotion to setting parameters becomes an advocate for liberation and connection. Step 6, lift the weight of the world from your shoulders. Co-create a unique approach to dating or partnership, honoring your unique pace for peace. And step 7, leave a legacy of love. With trust as your new normal, redefine challenges and take your relationships to the next level. And of course, rinse, rest, and repeat. Consistently work these steps for mental, emotional, and spiritual hygiene, moving toward relational mastery. So check in. Are you willing to endure discomfort to co-create a healthy relationship? Can you navigate the primal instinct to leave when things get tough? And if the best version of yourself awaits you on the other side of relationship adversity, would that inspire you through the fear of staying and sticking with it? I sincerely hope so. Next time you find yourself in a museum or on a date, notice the moments you want to close your heart and leave. This marks a pivotal choice point: love or fear. Have faith, keep an open heart, lean into love, stay, and uncover the strength within you. In just 7 seconds, everything could transform. For more information, visit joelleyden.com, and also to get your starter kit to do the real work of real love. May love be your decision today and every day. Until the next time.